there's some funny words to some of them. We want to start off our program this morning by doing one of the songs that we do in the morning called Days of the Week, and it's to the tune of the Addams Family. Kindergarten. I'm going to have to be over here so I'm not in your parents' way. So I'm going to step over here, and when I can, I'll do like this, and I'll move out of the way. Okay. All right, Days of the Week.
Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
All right. We know one's the month of the year, to the Macarena, and that won't go too well with them. Okay. All right. Are we ready? Okay. Sail the Mayflower.
Sail the Mayflower. Sail, sail, sail the Mayflower slowly across the sea. Merrily, 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 children now are free. Sail, sail, sail the Mayflower slowly across the sea. Merrily, 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 children now are free.
All right.
Yay!
Okay, we ready? I'm a little Indian.
I'm a little Indian. I'm a little Indian on the go. Here is my arrow, here is my bow. When I go hunting, hear me shout. Bears and buffaloes, better watch out.
Yay!
Okay, we ready? First book.
First book,
A poem by Linda Colt.
a poem by Linda Cole. Hey, everybody, come look. I'm reading a book. I found it right here on the library shelf. And I can read every word all by myself. Hey, everybody, come look. I'm reading my very first book.
Yay!
Okay, here we go. Gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble. A turkey is a funny bird. His head goes wobble, wobble. And he knows just one word. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
The harvest.
The harvest. Pick the corn and pick the beans, pick the squash and other greens. It is harvest time, you see. Come and share a feast with me. Bring your family out to play. We'll call this Thanksgiving Day.
Yay!
I'm a little turkey.
I'm a little turkey. I'm a little turkey. Look at me, fat and plump as I can be. Don't you try to catch me, 'cause you'll see I'll hide behind this old oak tree.
Very good.
The new land.
The new land. The pilgrims sailed the stormy sea to start a country new and free. They met other people there, and they had a great party on the land they would share.
turkey dinner.
Turkey dinner. Turkey dinner, turkey dinner. Gather round, to look at the drumstick. Yummy, yummy drumstick. All sit down. Cornbread muffin, chestnut stuffing, pudding pie, 1 foot high. All was dinner till we came to dinner. Me oh my, me oh my. Like this?
To Grandma's house.
Grandma's house. To Grandma's house we go. Hi-ho. We're on our way with horses, baked with coffee, just as snow. Oh, what a trip to take. Should have a chocolate cake. There'll be surprise and monster size and chestnut tea to make. To Grandma's house we go. Hi-ho. The lovely things they give me makes it nice and makes me know.
The last number that we're going to sing is My Country 'Tis of Thee.
My country 'tis of thee. My country 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Land where my fathers died, land of the Pilgrims pride, from every mountainside, let freedom ring.
Yay.
Kindergarten, you did so well today, and you should be so proud of yourself. Give yourself a break.
Yeah.
Hey, remember this morning, kindergarten, I had, oh, Mr. Corey. Remember, we did a little assignment today of what you're thankful for. So you are going to, when I call you, you're going to go give this to your parent, and then you can, and then you're going to give them your stuff that's sitting under your pencil box, that sheet of paper and your blue kindergarten. Okay, Griffin, you come this way.